We are starting with a sumptuous view here at SEA. Welcome to Checking In at SEA. I'm Perry Cooper, here with Scott Welding, who is the Senior Vice President of SSP America. You are, I want to say, responsible for all the yummy stuff that's going on right here. First, tell me, you've won an award and you're with Bad Egg here in the N Concourse.
Yes.
What's this award about that we want to highlight for you?
Yeah, so super excited about this award. Recently happened at the Fab Moodie Awards in Bangkok. And this award is very special to us for many reasons. One, it's based right here in Seattle because it's Bad Egg, which is where Bad Egg was born. And two, it's an international award. So it wasn't just North America, it was for the world. And it's the best casual dining award for international casual dining.
So give me a quick idea, Scott, here of what we're seeing. What's kind of the feel that you want to have for folks as they come into Bad Egg?
Well, I think first and foremost, it's comfort food at its finest. Breakfast is something that is not a category that you see in every airport, but where you do see it, it's very widely appreciated and visited. So what we wanted to do here was create a sense of place, Pacific Northwest, Seattle, but bring all of the comforts of Seattle and the Pacific Northwest through our dishes. So a few of the dishes that we have out here, this is one of my favorites. It's our cake donuts with wings, which is really just a take on chicken and waffles. We have a Pacific Northwest salmon avocado toast over here. We've got eggs Benedict, traditional. Everybody loves their Benedicts when they're going to breakfast concepts. And we have a Nashville hot chicken sandwich that's on freshly made biscuits. We have a Loco Moco, which is very special to the Pacific Northwest. A burger patty on grits with an egg and green onions, mushroom gravy. And then last but not least, we have our pulled pork sandwich on a fresh made biscuit.
And I can't eat all these all by myself, so I am going to have to share. But all of this looks fabulous.
You know, when we designed this restaurant and built this restaurant for this concourse, we knew it had to be something special to match the rest of the beautiful new terminal building. So being right down here at the end in front of a large amount of gate holds has been very good for us.
And you lead us right in, Scott, to what we're talking about for N, the new space here over the last couple of years. Mm-hmm. We're also going to talk to our dining and retail manager and find out more of what's going on here around us. We're here now talking to our senior manager of Airport Dining and Retail, ADR, we like to call it here, Khalia Moore. Thanks for joining us. We want to talk about all the things that are happening here at SEA. This spot in particular is pretty exciting because it's one of actually two new spaces people are starting to see here at N Concourse.
Yes. So we're extremely excited. Show Pony is one of our longstanding tenants here in Concourse C who has made their way out to Concourse N. And we're excited that they have opened up this brand new location. It's beautiful, a lot larger with a much bigger, expansive offering for them.
If you're thinking or you've heard your friends say, I'm bored with the selections that are at SEA, you haven't looked around enough.
No,
go wander around.
Train.
So don't just go on where your gate is. There's more to see. And of course, because we have all this fabulous food here, we have to sample. Where should I start? Or where's everybody going to start?
Loco Moco.
Okay.
I'm starting here with the wings and donuts.
Okay, I'm going to Avocado Coast here.
All right.
And then I see other things right next to me. So we're going to be here a little bit. But thanks for joining us at Checking In at SEA. Keep an eye on all of our social media to find out what's going on next. There's always something new at SEA.